So, once again, thanks Thermal Masters. This thing, first it didn't work, then it does, but no, this is fantastic. So it started working again. Watch this. Ready? It's upside down. I mean, you can't make this shit up. Look, upside down. The AI don't work. I mean, what kind of crap is this? None of the AI stuff works, and who can use this? The thermal's upside down, and this is correct. And then, of course, it wasn't working at all, and then it just started working again. This thing is defective beyond belief. Thermal Master will absolutely not communicate with me. They never answer the phone. They ignore my emails. I've tried every way to get a hold of them other than grabbing an airline ticket and flying out to Texas from Pennsylvania and see if there's a person I can talk to help me. It's a 2-year warranty. It's supposed to be a 2-year warranty. I've used it 4 times and it just started working again, and then here we are. I'm driving down to Pittsburgh. This is when I really need it. It's a 130-mile drive in the dark. I need this terribly. I need this in the rest area. I really need this camera because of the deer problem. And it started working again. It's totally useless. Come on, Thermal Masters. I paid good money for this. Honor your warranty. Please, honor your warranty.